When vacuum is vital to your operations, any disruption can cost you time and money. Kerr provides flexible vacuum pump rentals to keep your operations running. Whether it's scheduled maintenance, an emergency repair, or a boost in capacity, our reliable rentals are ready when you need them. Rent during planned maintenance. You can avoid costly delays by renting while doing planned repairs. Need emergency backup for an unexpected failure? Our pumps are available for immediate rental to keep production going. Temporarily boost capacity. Need extra vacuum for peak demand? Rent to scale up quickly. Test before you buy. Not sure which pump to buy? Rent and test before committing with options to purchase after trial. We offer a wide range of oil-sealed rotary vane vacuum pumps from 5 to 25 horsepower, delivering up to 455 ACFM and achieving vacuums of 29 inches of mercury or lower. Whether it's a short-term fix or a long-term trial, Kerr provides the equipment you need. With over a century of experience, Kerr Pump and Supply stands as Michigan's most trusted vacuum pump provider. From selection to delivery, we ensure you get the right pump fast with same-day delivery available for regional requests. For trusted vacuum pump rentals, contact Kerr Pump and Supply. Call us at 248-543-3880 or visit us at kerrpump.com for fast, reliable solutions.